trains come rumbling through here. I mean, all hours. Plus you have this busy street here. But here's a train's freight station. All right, you want to have a Vegas, you got to have neon. And there it is right there. This is Louisiana. This is Festival Plaza downtown. And this thing is just for show. You can't climb to the top. And then look at these electrical hookups they have here. I think they have music events. Yeah, here's a covered area. The hotel in the background, the casino in the background, is where I'm headed for breakfast. And this right here in front, in the foreground, is some kind of nightclub. You recognize the man there, Elvis. Elvis the Pelvis. Became famous in Shreveport at the Louisiana Hayride. Oh, so we got Louisiana features here. We got catfish, or no, it's bass, I guess. Cooking, Cajun cooking, yeah. We got the skyline reflected in the, wait a minute, it's a Red River, shouldn't it be reversed? Skyline reflecting red in the river? Well, never mind. And what's with the horse? Not sure about that. All right, so I'm walking down to the casino, and there's another covered area right here. I guess I'm not sure about the horse, or what these figures are here. To the left is a New Orleans type scene. Yeah, there's a large Indian mound. All right, that's the Holiday Inn. It's 6 in the morning. I like it like that. I like it like that. Okay, I'm walking down to the El Dorado. Wow, this Festival Plaza is huge. All right, you have these old kind of riverside buildings. Oh, look, it's the Voodoo Bar, Cafe and Bar. Hoodoo at the Voodoo. These were probably rocking last night. I didn't know I could even walk to somewhere like this. Wow, I like these flower pots. And I'll try not to LOL. All right, look at this, this facade of a porch, New Orleans style, here at the Voodoo Cafe. Wow, look at that parking deck there. I guess that's for the El Dorado. And this would be Hangar 21, U.S. Coast Guard. Don't know what that's all about. Oh, look at the El Dorado sign there. Now this is odd. This is ice shed by this tree here. That's really strange. And yes, it is Christmas. All right, this is looking downtown. I like the way they have these murals painted on the side of the buildings. So this is the new El Dorado. Gambling. This is on the Shreveport side. And in order to be tacky, you got to have these flashy video signs now. Vegas style. Loose women or loose slots. I love the way they show the, oh, that's where I'm going, the buffet. Yeah, that's my El Dorado. I'm having breakfast. You look, they always got this gambling problem. They give you this 800 number to call. This is cool. trees here. I like the decorations they have. You are getting the urge to gamble. You must go to the El Dorado to put money into the slot machine. Oh, wake up, wake up. Oh. I was almost hypnotized by this hypnotic water and these cool lights. So they have an aquarium down here downtown. Alright, here's a bridge crossing the Red River. You're in the town of Bossier, what do they call it? Ever has pronounced. So there's two casinos on this side, on the Shreveport side, and about 4 on the other side. I think some employees are late for work. They're running. So, in keeping with the Vegas motif, they have these grand entrances. Egyptian exotic ladies there. El Dorado. Maybe these are not Egyptian music, maybe these are Mayan or something. Mr. Palm Tree, do you need some water? Oh, it's made out of concrete. How about that? It's fake. This bridge is interesting. Hey, look, it's the Proud Mary rolling on the river grill. Look how they got this tin to keep droppings from falling on people who are walking. And then look at these massive concrete palm tree planters. Alright, let's go inside and find the buffet. Let's examine some of the symbolism. This is, it's an eternal flame. This is the ball. They have some very attractive ladies holding these figurines. And then here's the guy shooting the arrow. And this right here is, I don't know, Reap the Whirlwind? Don't know. But look, even the parking decks have these really cool neon signs. You know, like 6 in the morning is kind of never land for casinos. All the action in casinos takes place at night. This is Louisiana. Even the alligators get into the Christmas spirit. I think this one is, I'm not sure what they're doing. Did he eat a Christmas tree, or is he getting ready to poop some Christmas bars? Only in Louisiana. Alright, here I am. The breakfast buffet is not available, so just have a regular breakfast. It's a pretty nice dining room. Okay, you're in Louisiana. So we're talking hot sauce here. The old standby Tabasco and Cajun Chef hot sauce. Wow. Well, one of the nice things about being a morning person, early bird, is you can go into a casino and you have the whole place to yourself. Well, there's nobody here. There's hardly anybody dining. It's really nice. So, if you want to beat the crowds, just get up at 6 or 7 in the morning and go to the casino. They're open. They're open all the time. And you can have a nice, pleasant, enjoyable, uncrowded visit. Wow, look at that. Winning moments. Yeah, for the casino. Look at the map. It's spreading to the heartland. I like their mission statement. And one promise to provide the best family-style service in the industry. Wow. I didn't know that gambling was a family-style business. Christmas in a casino. Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas to you. What's the gold star in the right palm? That must be a state law. Gambling problem. Well, the lights have been turned off, and the foggy morn greets the lonesome late or early morning gambler. My goodness, this is El Dorado. Wow, what's this growing at Sam's Town? Let's go check it out. Yes, the Christmas spirit is in full force at Sam's Town too. Now, I wonder why these pickups are parked out here. The whole line of them. Hope they're not gambling. They're going to have to make the truck payments here pretty soon, once a month. Nice decorations. Yeah, Christmas spirit is alive and well at Sam's Town. Well, a casino early Sunday morning. It's about as depressing as the weather here in Shreveport. It's a Sunday morning. I don't know, about 8 o'clock maybe. But I had a nice breakfast and I feel good. I think I'll stroll down by the riverside. Well, I've seen both the casinos in Shreveport.